Hi everybody. So in this enrichment you're going to play a game that's very similar to Battleship. You and your partner are going to take your computers and each of you are going to get on to the website desmos.com. Once you're here, you're going to hit start graphing and both of you are going to pick 5 ordered pairs that consist of whole numbers to end up making your ships. The first thing you need to do before you put in your ordered pairs is grab your screen here and slide it over so that the origin is the bottom left corner, so that we're just looking at the first quadrant. Now my scale kind of runs by 2s the whole way up to about 12 on the y-axis and the whole way over to 18 or so on the x-axis. Next, you and your partner both pick 5 ordered pairs to represent your ships. Don't let them know what those ordered pairs are, because they're going to try to sync them later on. The way we put these ordered pairs in is we're just going to put in a left parenthesis, and then I'm going to pick some numbers, 2, 3, hit the right parenthesis, hit enter, and you can see down here, it puts my ship right on my screen here in a color. I'm going to put in a second ship, 10, 9, enter. Third ship, 6, 8, enter. Fourth one would be maybe 15, 1, enter. And my last and final ship, 1, 7, let's say. Alright, now if we look at my screen, I have 5 ships. These represent my ships. I don't want my partner knowing where they are. He's trying or she's trying to sync them. Next, we're going to start the game by creating an equation. This equation is going to be plotted on this screen, and it's going to represent like a cannon that's trying to knock down your ship. So if you create an equation or create a line that touches your opponent's point anywhere on the line, it will sink their ship. So let's say I go first. I'm going to click down here right underneath where my screen where I have the points, and I'm going to put in y equals, let's say, 3x minus 8. I have a slope of 3, a starting value of 8, and it automatically graphs it for you. I don't really care if it hits any of my ships because my ships are immune from my equation. I'm just trying to hit theirs. So I will put that in, and my partner will put that in, and they'll let me know if I hit their ship or not. Next, it'll be their turn. Let's say they tell me their equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Well, I want to see if that's going to hit any of mine, so maybe I'll put it in real quick. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4. And when I do that, I can see that their equation is red, and it does hit one of my ships. It hits 10, 9. So I'm going to go ahead and let my partner know that it hits one of my ships, and I'm going to go ahead and take that point off my screen. So I'm down to 4 ships. And I'm also going to get rid of their line so it's not confusing me about what I've already done myself as far as my cannon. So now it's my turn. I'm going to put in an equation. Let's just guess at y equals, let's try a slope of 2x plus a starting value of 2. So that's my second cannon shot, and I'll wait for my partner to put that in and tell me if I hit theirs or not. Hopefully I did. Then it's their turn, and they make up an equation y equals 1x plus 2. Y equals 1x plus a starting value of 2. So the green one was theirs, and there's their starting value going up by a slope of 1, and it hits another one of my ships. It hits 6, 8. If I click on it, that point shows up. So I'm going to take that ship off my screen. It's sunk. I'm going to take away their equation so I don't get it confused with mine. I just want to leave my equations up so I know what points I potentially try to shoot at. So you're going to keep doing this until we have a winner of who sunk all 5 ships. Let your teacher know when you're done, and maybe if you have enough time you can play again with another partner.